Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by signing into the exact Google account you use for YouTube. This ties preferences to your profile. Once signed in, open YouTube in a desktop browser because site-level language controls are more persistent there. Make sure to disable any VPN or proxy that forces another country's locale, since that can override your language choice. Now, go straight to the profile icon on the top right. We will change the site language instead of relying on auto-detection. Click your profile icon, then choose language and pick the exact language you want. This stops YouTube from guessing. Next, go to Settings Location and set it to the country that matches that language so recommendations and UI stick. If you've previously used a different locale, clear YouTube cookies or change your browser's preferred languages list to prioritize your new choice. Once done, reload the page so the selection takes effect across the site and all sessions. Finally, enforce the preference by updating language in your Google account settings. YouTube often inherits that. Make sure mobile apps are signed into the same account so the language stays consistent across devices. If the language reverts, clear browser cache and cookies, sign out of YouTube, then sign back in. This refreshes stored preferences. If problems persist, temporarily disable extensions that alter headers or location because they commonly undo your changes. Then repeat.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.